Hi guys, it's Sweet Tooth here. How are you doing? Today we're testing out Dettol Surface Cleanser, proven to kill cold and flu viruses. So it's about time I clean this fridge out. So what we're going to do is we're going to try this on a few marks and bits of grease in the fridge. So first thing you notice, it's got an on and off switch. Great, so it's obviously you're not wasting it. This is the 750ml bottle. So let's have a go. I've just wants a few little pumps. When you first start it out, you've got to get that pressure going. Pump, pump, pump. Just got to spray around a little bit. Just get ordinary kitchen roll, that's all I use. Sometimes you might need a scrubber. So I've got one here. This is where the milk's been, so can already feel that the fridge is starting to smell a lot nicer than it was before. And of course, you've got to know the fact that when you've got children as well, old people, you know that those the actual germs are going to get killed. So that's the thing. I've seen a lot of dirty fridges over the years. People just throw food in, just never clean them, you know, but not good. So you can see the dirt that's come off that. We'll try a small roll. I'm just going to make this a quick video, just showing you the power of Dettol. So it's a good idea as well, where the water drains out here, it's a good idea to just stick a bit of towel there, dry up that bit of water, put some Dettol in there as well, antibacterial, get it all in the nooks and crannies where germs breed. Alright, go around the edge. I'm going to put this fridge back together again. That's just a quick look at what this stuff can do. There you go, see how the dirt on that. Lovely and clean, and I'm going to put my food back in there. So thanks guys, thanks for watching. Get some of this stuff. Been using it for years and does what it says on the bottle. Thanks guys, why not check out my channel. Normally I have quite a few other videos like this if you like that sort of thing. See you later, bye bye.